Here are the top 5 jobs in the field of AI. 1. AI researchers. The role of an AI researcher is to identify new methods of using artificial intelligence to overcome problems and limitations that organizations are facing. Typically, they will specialize in understanding large datasets and converting its learnings into ideas and plans to develop new AI technologies that can be brought to life by data scientists. To become an effective AI researcher, soft skills such as critical thinking are crucial, as the role will involve frequent brainstorming to find new methods and approaches. Alongside this, some of the more specialist skills required include mathematics to utilize statistics and predict how AI programs will run, and the ability to analyze data with experience in tools such as RapidMiner or Sketch Engine. 2. Data scientists. Whilst an AI researcher is responsible for finding new methods for AI to problem solve, their findings will typically be passed on to a team of data scientists whose role it is to apply these methods in real-life situations. As such, their roles are crucial to interpreting data effectively and executing tactics to develop AI models and practices. The key skills required to succeed as a data scientist includes fluency in programming language such as Python and R, and a knowledge of algorithms and their frameworks to build AI models. Good communication skills are also essential, as data scientists typically work together in teams and require a good understanding of the analysis conducted by AI researchers. One notable example of how AI researchers and data scientists work together is overcoming how facial recognition technology is more likely to misidentify a person with darker skin. Whilst a team of AI researchers identified that 3 commonly used facial analysis algorithms worked better on light-skinned people, a team of data scientists are working to use this information and fix the bug to make the technology effective regardless of skin color. 3. Machine learning engineers. Whilst data scientists work on information based on data and human learning collated by AI researchers, machine learning generates powerful predictive models from a technology-based interpretation without being particularly programmed but understanding the surrounding regularities in data. Read our blog to find out more about the differences between data science and machine learning. This method generates important alternative results, which can speed up the process in identifying new solutions, or spot gaps that can't be easily identified by the human eye. As a result, machine learning engineers have the job of designing self-running AI systems to automate these predictive models and enhance their effectiveness. They will typically work alongside AI researchers to understand the data that machine learning will be programmed to solve, and communicate with data scientists, IT, and software teams. The key skills required to succeed in this role include strong analytical skills and experience in the use of machine learning packages such as TensorFlow and SciPy. 4. Deep learning engineers. Deep learning is a subdivision of machine learning where artificial intelligence is programmed with brain-like structures called neural networks, designed to mimic the thought process of humans. Although a more time-consuming process compared to machine learning, the results can be more effective, leading to an increasing demand from businesses for deep learning engineers. Deep learning engineers are responsible for programming AI systems to ensure they create transferable solutions. They will typically train their systems to better understand unstructured data in a variety of forms such as text and PDFs, meaning some of the typical pre-processing of data can be removed to configure more detailed results. Similarly, in most jobs within artificial intelligence, the ability to code is a must for deep learning engineers with expertise in software such as Python. Successful employees in this area are typically focused individuals who are patient, curious, and have a good data intuition. 5. Robotic scientists. Whereas data scientists typically program technologies to find solutions, robotic scientists design and build mechanical devices to perform tasks that can work in conjunction with humans and support their activities. Robotic scientists are required to understand how robots can tackle an issue in the way that humans can't do on their own, and the expertise can be applied across a range of industries. In healthcare, for example, robotic technology has been created to deliver colonoscopy and surgery, with AI robots programmed to detect possible cancer polyps. Robotic scientists are responsible for designing this software and training artificial intelligence on how to perform. As a result, they must be able to think innovatively, possess a good knowledge of mathematics and computer science, and own high-level programming skills.